What is the value represented by the digit 6 in the number 67.514? Have a go at this yourself, and I'll show the solution on the next slide. So let's consider the number, and I'm going to draw a grid, and into this grid I'm going to put the place values for each of the digit positions, starting off with 10, 1, and going to a 10th, 100th and 1000th. I'll now position the figures in their appropriate columns. So we have 67.514. We need to identify the column that contains the digit 6, and it is clearly this here. And it means that you've got 6 lots of 10, and we can write that out as equal to 6 times 10, which is clearly equal to 60. And that's it really, pretty straightforward. Of course, you could look at the number and realize that it represented 60. But if the question is asking you to show workings, well, this is what I've done here. Of course, it could also appear in a question in an examination that simply give you the number, ask you the value of a particular digit, and give you a choice of answers. So it would be a multi-choice question. And in that case, you might not need to show the workings. You would just make a choice from the options given. But it's always a good idea to draw a grid like this when you're revising, so you have a clear understanding of digits and the fact that they have place values within a number as shown in this example.